Hi everyone! Welcome to participate in the International Flash Computing Contest. To join the contest, you need to download the Abacus Pro app. You can use your tablet or phone to install the Abacus Pro app. Once you open the Abacus Pro app, type your username and password to log in. Once you're logged in, click Flash Competition and enter. The Flash Competition interface is divided into exercise and official competition. Let's demonstrate how to do the exercise. The questions in the competition will be in a flashing format. There are 5 rounds in total. Each round is 2 minutes. There will be a 1-minute break. The function of stopping and answering can be shortened to the number of rows. The faster your typing speed with accuracy is, the higher the score you will get. Students in Group A who complete each question with all rows will gain an extra 300 points. Each booster can increase 10% of the overall score, and so forth. The left side shows your group, and you choose the booster on the right and get started. We will demonstrate with 3 boosters this time. The system will assign an opponent to compete with you. The upper right will show your opponent's score, and the upper left will show your own score. The first round for Group A is 1-digit 6 rows. The lower left is the stopping and answering button. You can shorten the rows by pressing stopping and answering. The question can be shortened to 2 rows or 3 rows. You can gradually increase your ability to answer until you can complete questions in all rows. The quicker you type accurately, the higher the score you will get. For example, if you type in 1.9 seconds with accuracy, your score will be 513 points. If you type in 0.9 seconds with accuracy, your score will be 525 points. If you answer the question with all rows accurately, you will gain an extra 300 points. After the first round is over, your score will appear on the upper left. Again, you can see both you and your opponent's score on the upper left and right. Before the next round, you have a minute break. You can also click Start Competition on the lower left to go to the next round. We suggest that during the exercise, you can choose not to wait and go to the next round, and choose to rest during the competition. The first 2 rounds are questions of the 1-digit 6 rows. If necessary, click the stopping and answering option. Once the second round is over, we can go to the next round. The third round is also questions of 1-digit 6 rows. Let's go to the 4th round. The questions for rounds 4 and 5 in Group A are 1 and 2 digits 4 rows. The way of calculating is the same as before. Your score will appear after the 5th round, the number of questions for each round, the correct answers that you make, accuracy, average typing time, the scores you get, the bonus points from all row questions. The right side is your total score, the total score from 5 rounds. The percentage of scores from using the booster. You can also check your opponent's score, get to know your opponent, and talk to your teacher and classmates about the results, and develop a strategy for the competition. Here's an individual rank for your reference. You can also go to the student rank and see where you are and other students' scores. The record will be erased every 8 days, meaning the score and ranking of the student will be recorded in the most recent 8 days. Now is the time to prepare for the Flash Computing Contest. Remember that winning or losing isn't as important as getting a high score. Association of Abacus Education. Professional, reaching perfection.